Stable Video was open to everyone yesterday, though OpenAI Sora's videos have really crashed other AI video generators. But Sora is not publicly open yet. It might be a good idea to play around with Stable Video for AI enthusiasts. You can now access it on the official website. You no longer need to deploy it locally anymore. That's good news for users. The access link will also be put in the description. It supports text to video and image to video. Here also showcase some videos generated by other users. If you compare it with Runway Gen 2 or Pika, you can find that their features are very alike. In text to video, you can type in the prompt, choose aspect ratio and style. Then click on Generate. And it will create 4 images for you to pick. After picking one you like, next you get to choose the camera motion. For now there are some motions still not enabled, but they will be available soon. You may also go to the advanced settings and change the seed, steps and motion strength settings. Then click on Proceed and wait patiently. The speed is not very fast, as it says some users may experience slow queue times. It took me about 10 minutes to get the video. But to be honest, the video quality is fine to me. Of course, if you compare it with Sora, they are not in the same level. In image to video, you can upload your own images and change the settings as I showed you just now. The generated video resolution is not very high. That's only around 720p. So usually I would use HitPoor Video Enhancer to upscale it to 4K quality. This can help you increase the video resolution while enhancing the details to the next level. Check out the official link in the description if you are interested. For now, Stable Video can only generate 4 seconds video once a time. And free users can have 150 free credits per day. That's around 15 videos every day. So how do you like Stable Video? Share your thoughts in the comment and I'd be happy to read them. Anyway, it's very suitable for new players to get started and feel the charm of AI videos. If this video helps, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI tools and tips. Thanks for watching.